The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 have been introduced by Samsung, and now we're looking at the Galaxy S24 series, which is going to be huge. The S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are the three models that make up the S24 series, exactly as the S23 series did. The S24 Ultra and S24 Plus may now see a 45% increase in quick charging, according to a tip. Thanks to stacked battery technology, also known as stacked cells, which involves stacking many battery cells on top of one another to boost the battery's capacity and performance, it will also have an absurdly long battery life. Because of this technology, more energy may be stored in a given amount of area, and the usage of stacked batteries can enhance a device's ability to charge by enabling quicker charging rates. For select Galaxy S24 models, Samsung is now testing the stacked battery configuration and 65-watt fast charging. Even if the firm approves the Galaxy S24 series usage of stacked batteries, there could not be enough supply to outfit the basic model with this sort of technology. The Galaxy S24 will thus continue to use 25-watt fast charging and an older generation of battery technology. The S24 Ultra and S24 Plus will both provide the 65-watt and stack battery technology, where the Ultra model may even be the only one to offer it if there isn't even that much supply. The same leaker now claims that Samsung is anticipated to increase the Galaxy S24 Ultra's rated battery capacity to 5,000 mAh, which should result in a 10% increase in the device's normal battery capacity in the same exact battery size. Now that we are aware that the S24 Plus H1 will only have 12 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra will really have 16 GB of RAM. According to sources cited by PocketLint, the Exynos chip will indeed be included in the 2024 Samsung flagship phones once more in some markets, including Europe. If Samsung can get everything just right, the Exynos 2400 could be a success. This may also be Samsung's final opportunity to demonstrate the superiority of its Exynos associate and the chipset manufacturing process. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.